you have a pond that looks like this? Heartland Dredging has the solution. We can clean the muck from your pond and restore its natural beauty and effectiveness with no draining and no interruption of play, even in the most remote locations. We can take your pond from this to this using our state-of-the-art sediment removal system. To give you an idea of just what Heartland Dredging can do for you, let's take a look at a completed project. Crooked Stick Golf Club in Carmel, Indiana is considered among the top courses in the country. But they had a significant problem in the pond on their signature hole. Silt and sediment had built up to the point that it was above the waterline in places. The shallow depth was causing a severe algae problem. A number of alternatives were tried, from chemical treatment to bubblers and aerators, with no improvement. After a number of alternatives failed, we were hired to dredge the pond and return it to its original shape and size. We did this using a hydraulic mini dredge with a 6-foot wide cutter head and a 6-inch sludge pump. Our cutter head is safe for ponds with rubber liners. The dredge can pump up to 2,500 feet. Much greater distances can be achieved with the assistance of a small booster pump. The material at Crooked Stick was pumped into geotextile tubes at the disposal site to dewater and consolidate the material. The disposal location was a little used area in the rough with a natural slope, which allowed us to permanently bury the geotextile tubes without a trace. Once the material was sufficiently dewatered, we covered up the tubes with stockpiled dirt and blended the new surface into the existing slope. Using the geotextile tubes allowed us to cleanly filter out the water, eliminate the unpleasant odors, and reduce the actual volume of material from 2,000 cubic yards to a mere 1,000 cubic yards. That's a whopping 50% reduction in volume. As you can see from these before and after clips, the results were impressive. The management of Crooked Stick was very pleased with the results. We were able to achieve these results in an area inaccessible to typical earth moving and dredging equipment, and there was no damage to the surrounding area.